Hi all, I'd like to welcome you to this course. This is Parav Shah and I'll be your tutor for this course. As this is the introductory lecture, I'll give you some basic summary of this course. Okay, so as the name says, Introduction to Deep Dark Web. In this course, we are going to learn about the deep dark web in detail. After the completion of this course, you will be able to access the deep dark web using Tor browser. And plus, we are also going to explore the spooky side of the dark web. About dark web, it is said that you can find anything from missiles to hard assassins, from drug dealers to deadly hackers, literally anything. Well, shockingly, it is true. Okay, we will discuss about these things afterwards in detail. First of all, let me give you the overall summary of the whole course, like what points we are actually going to discuss. Okay, so as this is just a summary, we are going to get the overview of these topics, right? And of course, all topics will be again discussed in this course. So, what are we going to learn? What is deep dark web? Okay, in this topic, we'll be discussing in detail about the types of web, history of deep dark web, contents of deep dark web, and basically the theory portion of this course. Difference between the deep web and the dark web. Well, we will discuss about the basic difference between both the webs, and we'll also be discussing about the contents of each individual web. Like in deep web mainly contains records such as health records. Mainly we can say that the deep web is the document section of the internet. Again, this was just an overview. We will be discussing in detail in the upcoming lectures. Tor browser. Okay, in day-to-day life, we mainly use browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or in the case of Mac users, Safari, right? But these browsers are only made to access the surface web. To access the dark web, we need a special browser known as Tor browser. The main advantage of Tor browser is the anonymity factor, which keeps the identity and several delicate data, such as your location, secured. Blockchain technology. It's the way or method through which we can say that Tor browser protects your privacy. We will learn about it in detail in the upcoming lectures. Anonymity. As I said earlier, the main reason of using dark web is the anonymity factor. It helps in many ways. In short, words, it's like internet freedom, which allows you to surf the dark web as a totally anonymous person. Cryptocurrencies, also known as digital currency. On the dark web, any type of transaction is mainly performed in cryptocurrencies, and in cryptocurrencies, mainly in bitcoins, as it keeps the anonymity factor secured, as the cryptocurrencies are difficult to track and trace. We'll also learn about the transfer of the cryptocurrencies as well. The methods to generate them, like crypto mining or crypto trading, will also be discussed. Surfing the deep dark web. Well, surfing the deep dark web is very dangerous and it is not by any means advisable. But for the sake of this course, we will be surfing the dark web. We will be visiting some weird websites and so on. Dangers and their prevention. As a deep dark web, because of its anonymity factor, is also known as the criminal's paradise, we will be visiting or discussing some most important factors of your device safety while you are surfing the deep dark web. Again, all the topics that we just talk about will be discussed in detail, and this was just an overview of them. And it's totally okay if you don't understand what we discussed right now. Nevertheless, we are going to discuss them again. Before ending this lecture, I'd like to convey that surfing or visiting the deep dark web is totally legal. There's nothing illegal in it. Till you are, of course, not buying stuff like illegal weapons or drugs or any kind of illegal stuff from the deep dark web, you are good. Once again, thank you very much for buying this course. I hope you learn something new, something innovative from this course. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.